Namaste, my friends. A very warm welcome to my channel. My name is Vasant, and this is my official channel. Of course, more to come. Definitely, I'll be there with you all. I'm here to share different things with you all, a different scenario. You know, of post-COVID, a lot of people lack a motivation. So I'm here to be there with you all as a friend, as a guide, as a mentor. I will give you all a lot of tips. I will be guiding you all on a lot of topics where you feel difficult to make a decision on. This is what we read right now. One thing that I want to tell you all guys, there are a lot of people out here who would like to make their YouTube channel, but they have that fear in themselves whether if I make something, will it gonna be better. I feel you need to first start one reel, start small channel so that you can understand where are you going wrong. And if you do not try, you will never come up with it. You will only keep thinking, when should I do it? I should do it now, I should do it then. Stop it. Take a cheapest tripod and start recording from wherever you are. Catch up any place. Now I'm just sitting in my a bedroom. I just set up a studio kind of an environment, you can say. I have my laptop, I have my table. Just make it a little bit more decent. That's it. You don't have to create a lot of flimsy stars around you. And just like how professionals do, of course, you can do it later. But I feel being in front of the camera, giving the whole idea for the world, that makes a difference. It's not about what you use. It's about how do you use the thing. I believe in that. So please, guys, come up with some really nice ideas where you can showcase it to the world. I'm sure there are a lot of talents which are hidden. We need to come out of that comfort zone. If you are in the comfort zone, we will never learn. So I request all my viewers to please, whoever is watching there, wherever hiding, somebody just hiding from their parents and when they're watching the channel, I would request you all, please make a small ring. I will help you all in case if you all need something or you do not understand which gadget require all these things and how to make a free reel. I don't think you need to invest in anything. It's just you need to invest in a time, not more than 1 hour when you're shooting it. So I feel that's more than enough. Even a 10 minutes video does make a difference. You must have seen now in this pandemic there are a lot of people who've been actively using internet, and I feel they have been learning a lot of things. So I feel please come up, showcase your talent, and I will guide you all on that. Also, there are a lot of gadget review that I'm gonna make, which will also help you all to choose the best possible gadgets. There are a lot of people who have come across, they always think about starting a channel. I will start. No, yeah, it's not possible that way. I do not have time. I just request people, I just want to inform their brother. See, you need to take some time out of your busy schedule. That's how it works. If you're not taking a time now, times in 2 years, you're gonna regret that. So start the best. It is now. Start now. This is the time. If you do not start now, you're not gonna start ever. So if you think you will do it, it's not gonna possible. So please start your channel so that people know about it. What are the best skill set that you have? How you can come in front of the camera and face the camera like how I am doing right now. Even once I thought it would be a very difficult thing for me. Then there are a lot of people who help me out in that, and especially my wife. She always thought that you only talk about it and you don't do it. You do it right now. Do it. Of course, I just thank her. You need to understand one thing: if you do not start, you're not going to finish. So best thing is please start your channel, whatever it may be. I'm here to guide you all. I'm always there to guide you all. I was pretty scared to come in front of a camera and that's the reason previous videos what I used to do is all about training videos and where I was not showcased there. Of course, I used to give up a lot of tips on how do you edit and everything. There's one more page where I do a lot of editing of minimal way that you get your videos done, your sound editing done and everything. So now that I'm in front of you all, it was very difficult for me to, I thought, okay, would it be proper and will it be okay that if I come in front of you all, and how do an audience feel? Then I spoke to a lot of my friends and my wife too, and she was like, the best part is you speak to people, right? I don't feel anything about it. It's about how you carry yourself and how you speak to people. So get out of your comfort zone, get out of wherever you are, and start showcasing your talent to the world. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you like my channel. Please do subscribe and please comment, because that will definitely gonna help someone to be motivated. Please stay connected so that I come up with a lot of good videos and good content. So it's all about how you all help me, guys. Thank you so much. Namaste.